Top up your external investments on the HDFC Bank SmartWealth App. Are you tired of tracking your investments on multiple apps? Let me show you an easier way out on the HDFC Bank SmartWealth App. The Consolidated Account Statement feature gives you a holistic view of all your investments, made both inside and outside the app in one place. Once your external holdings are imported to SmartWealth, you can monitor them on the app and also make additional investments in them from your dashboard. Here's how to do it. Go to the dashboard section on the app and tap on Mutual Funds under the Holdings tab. On the top bar, select External Investments. Choose the fund you want to top up. Click on Buy to purchase additional units. We also recommend you review and add your unmapped investments to any of your smart jars. This will help you move towards achieving your investment objectives with ease. Use the HDFC Bank SmartWealth app to stay on top of all your investments and continue on your path to wealth creation. With all holdings under one roof, you are all set to realize your dreams. To understand how to manage your investments during tough times, check out our next video on how to pause an SIP.